ya ase skuru y'abamura ya Oriwo iyo gotoka se constituency ya Karuchonyo imeye county ya Umabe igomori abanyora matemo aba KCSE ayo nabete kagotinanigwa maiga yabande konyora matemo ayo omwako yoiga inyirobone skuru eyo niga matemo aba bete kagotinanigwa asoko kagero kwebwatana nebikole bitarenge bironge asa matemo KCSE y'umwaka bw'ikiri bubere na meronge bere noyomo na boni igomori yo bono banyorera amatemo ayo aboroki go bisaranse ta matemo ase skuru Oriwo yaba murego toka se county Umabe nigo barenga boroki wa chimisano emerongende na kianda okubwatikana na matemo yaba gakorarigwa nigo bona boroki wa chimisano emerongebe no yomo banyore grade ge C+ go chigoro aneba go chiwanchero kogenda ase chi university nigo botinde bwe school yuba gokera amatemo ayo abasa boroki wo bonsi bagokero gosoka kwa matemo ayo ayo abere gatene niwe asegeka goikaba kagosoka.
First and foremost, on behalf of the Chief Principal of Oriwo Boys High School and the entire Oriwo family, I wish to take this opportunity in a very special way to thank the Ministry of Education under the able leadership of our CS, and also to thank the Kenya National Examination Council together with the Chief Executive Officer for fast-tracking the process of releasing our results that were withheld when the rest of the results were being released on 23rd. There has been a lot of anxiety on the side of our candidates of 2021, together with the parents, the teachers, and everybody, all the stakeholders, that the candidates of Oriwo 2021 did the examination well, and even though the result was withheld, finally it is here with us, and we are happy of the performance that we received yesterday. We had a total of 549 candidates, out of which 521 have got a grade of C+ and above, meaning they are going to university direct. That is a 95.1% pass. We only have around 22. We have 28 who will not be making it direct but qualifies for the courses, diploma courses. So we want to thank the parents for their patience. I want to salute the candidates of 2021 for making us proud. I want to salute all the teachers of Oriwo